Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook Messenger background color. It will make it easier for you if you want to recognize some account. Okay, now we go to Facebook and log in, and then we go to Messenger. Okay, for example, I will choose this account, Mark. Okay, and then I go to change theme, click here, and now I choose the color, which one I want. Okay, for example, I choose the pinky. Yeah, now it's already changed the background. As you can see here, it's changed the background. Yeah, this is what you need to do. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you.